Romel and Rosemary, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
I have.
I have.
Are you prepared as you follow the path of marriage to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
I am.
I am.
Ang ganda naman itong, wow! Thank you! Bubuksan ko na ba? Wow, 3 million cash ba to? Galing sa bride? Ah! Oh, woohoo! Yes! Yay! Wedding shoes tayo! Hope you like this gift. I love you. Your other half. Rose.
Wow!
Wow! May something. Open it.
Teka, mukhang iiyak ako dito. Ayaw kong buksan ng box na to.
Hello, babe. Today is the day na pinakahihintay natin for almost 3 years since proposal. Hope you are as happy as I wanted you to today. Always know that beyond today, I will always make sure to make you as my top priority alongside our Lord God. Whenever you feel like walking, lalakad ako kasama ka. When times you feel like running, I'll run with you, hence this Nike shoes. And when time you want to feel a good wind breeze, me and Alpas can definitely ride you through. Ride or die as we say it, and remember our battle cry, we are in this together. From this day forward until forever. I love you, si Ate Alto. Oh, shucks. Thank you. Sure.
Parang alam ko to eh. Pag may gantong pabak si Rose eh.
Alam ko na yan. Mga kontrata yan.
Alam ko na nga.
Susi sa bahay yata eh.
Hindi. Parang susi sa underwear yan eh.
Susi ng
Remembrance.
Na.
And in your loving one another, you should always draw from the side of Jesus, where His heart is. How would you do that? Putting Jesus in between you for the rest of your lives. Live a sacramental life. God is love. Jesus is love. Love one another as Jesus loved us all.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Iwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika. Dumating ang Naalala ng iyong mata ang aking muka. Mahal, wag kang mag-alala. Tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta.
Romel, do you take Rosemary to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Nang umibig sa anghel sa lupa, ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta.
Rosemary, do you take Romel to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
Mahal, laman